Vanderbilt and Mississippi State combined for 17 College World Series appearances, and that's still 8 short of the 25 trips Bill Little made with Texas baseball. As CBS Austin's Jeff Barker explains, the former UT broadcaster and SID is just thankful he's still around to watch his Longhorns.
The only thing you really had was your character and your integrity.
Bill Little is a storyteller at heart.
That was the joy I always got out of broadcasting games, was telling their story.
A human encyclopedia of Longhorn lore.
All these years and all this tradition, it goes back for me a long, long way.
50 years to be exact. Little did it all for the University of Texas. Baseball broadcaster, longtime sports information director, columnist, author.
It was a great run. Again, I say it was never about me. It was about the kids. It was about the coaches. It was about the story.
Little's stories are always from the heart. And these days, he lives with a deep gratitude for those who saved his heart.
He was already at death's door when we operated on him.
In late 2019, Dr. William Kessler performed open heart surgery to repair a faulty mitral valve in Little's heart.
His mitral valve was leaking severely now, so he was a reoperation, a more complicated case.
Little did Little know at the time that procedure would save his life again months later. In October 2020, he was hospitalized after contracting COVID-19. The outcome could have been much, much worse.
I realized then what I already knew. If Kessler had not replaced the mitral valve, I would not have had the strength to fight the disease so that Kim and I could, some months later, get our shot and be healthy and happy.
We were very thankful that we were able to help him, make him whole, and get him back to what he does best, which is be with people and talk about sports.
So as we ease out of the pandemic and get back to normal life, Little is back to doing just that, telling stories and passing down decades of Longhorn history.
What means the most today, you mentioned earlier the kids and the fans and the people who will come up to you and say, I want to tell you how much what you did meant to me. When you touch a life, you've done what you were called to do. That's the thing the university has and the thing athletics have. You got to open the gate and let people come in.
With Bill Little, it's always from the heart. Jeff Barker, CBS Austin Sports.